हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ 12वीं कक्षा का जो बुक है फ्लेमिंगो, उसका जो पहला चैप्टर है द लास्ट लेसन, जो टर्म 1 में आने वाला है उसका एमसीक्यू, जो भी ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस आएंगे उन्हें मैं लेकर आया हूँ। तो आइए देखते हैं। हु इज़ द ऑथर ऑफ द लास्ट लेसन? सही आंसर है अल्फोंस डॉडेट, डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, अल्फोंस डॉडेट वाज फ्रॉम विच कंट्री? अल्फोंस डॉडेट किस देश से संबंध रखते थे? तो अल्फोंस डॉडेट फ्रांस के थे। सही ऑप्शन हो जाएगा बी। द स्टोरी द लास्ट लेसन हाईलाइट्स विच ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी? द राइट आंसर इज प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन। What were the things being taken for granted by the people of Aslas? Teachers of the school, time and school, people around, money and power. The right answer is option number B, time and school. What does the last lesson symbolize? Option A, loss. Option B, loss of freedom. Option C, loss of language. Option D, loss of language and freedom. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, लॉस ऑफ लैंग्वेज एंड फ्रीडम। Question number 6, what does the last lesson signify? Option A, change of power. Option B, change of government. Option C, change in life. Option D, change of teachers. सही आंसर है change in life. Question number 7, what do the marching soldiers under the windows represent? Option A, the dawn of Prussia and the defeat of French people. Option B, the defeat of Prussia. Option C, the victory of French. Option D, none of these. So the right answer is the dawn of Prussia in the defeat of French people. Question number 8, from where did the orders come to teach only German in the district of Alsace and Lorraine? Option number A, France. Option number B, Lorraine. Option number C, Berlin. Option number D, Germany. The right answer is option number B, Berlin. Question number 9, what does effect this story speaks about? Option A, power. Option B, money. Option C, transition. Option D, people. The right answer is option C, transition. Question number 10, why was France reluctant to go to school? A, wanted to enjoy warm sunlight. B, wanted to see soldiers drill. C, wanted to enjoy outdoor. D, lesson on participle was not prepared. Option D, lesson on participle was not prepared. Question number 11, what did France find on reaching the school? Option A, people were dancing. Option B, school was closed. Option C, police patrolling. Option D, strange quietness. Right answer is the D, strange quietness. Question number 12, who occupied the back benchers in the class? Option A, weak students. Option B, teachers. Option C, monitors of the class. Option D, village elders. The right answer is option D, village elders. Question number 13, why was French surprised? Option A, because of village elders. Option B, because of police patrolling. Option C, because of students' behavior. Option D, because of M. Hamel's kind and polite behavior. The right answer is option D, because of M. Hamel's kind and polite behavior. Question number 14, why was France feeling regretful and sad? Option A, for reaching late. B, for not learning participles. C, for change of the government. D, for not learning his mother tongue. The right answer is option D, for not learning his mother tongue. Question number 15, whom did M. Hamel blame for not sending students to school? Option A, parents. Option B, friends. Option C, teachers. And option D, watchman. The right answer is option A, parents. Question number 16, what did Hauser bring? Option A, sweets. Option B, children. Option C, friends. And option D, old primer. The right answer is old primer. Question number 17. What made France forget M. Hamel's ruler and crankiness? Option A, police patrolling. Option B, strange quietness. Option C, bustle on the streets. Option D, the idea of his going away. The right answer is the idea of his going away. Question number 8. For how many years did M. Hamel serve the school? Option A, 20 years. Option B, 35 years. Option C, 30 years. Option D, 40 years. The right answer is option D, 40 years. Where did the parents send their children? Question number 9. Where did the parents send their children? Option A, school. Option B, coaching. Option C, farms and mill. Option D, movies. The right answer is farms and mills. Question number 20. Why were the parents sending their children to the farms and mills? Option A, to play. Option B, to meet friends. Option C, to meet relatives. And option D, to earn money. The right answer is option D, to earn money. Question number 21. Why did the villagers come to meet M. Hamel in the school? Option A, to complain. Option B, to say goodbye. Option C, to gossip. Option D, to show gratitude. The right answer is to show gratitude. Question number 22. Why did Mr. M. Hamel call the French language the most beautiful? A, because it was the clearest and logical. B, because it was his native language. C, because people were from France. And D, none of these. The right answer is because it was the clearest and logical. Question number 23. What was French expected to be prepared for at school that day? A, song. B, dance. C, essay writing. And D, participles. The right answer is D, participles. Question number 24. When people are enslaved, what key do they have to the prison according to the M. Hamel? Option A, their behavior. Option B, power. Option C, aggressiveness. And option D, mother tongue. The right answer is mother tongue. What did French notice that was unusual that day? A, quietness in the school. B, soldiers in the school. C, crowd in school. And D, all of these. The right answer is quietness in the school. Question number 26. What had been put up on the bulletin board that day? A, teach only French. B, speak only English. C, teach only German. D, teach all these. The right answer is option number C, teach only German. What changes did the order from Berlin cause in school that day? Option A, hustle bustle. Option B, people were happy. Option C, teachers were sad. Option D, strange quietness and sadness. The right answer is strange quietness and sadness. Question number 28. What changed France's feeling about M. Hamel and school? A, police patrolling. B, orders from Berlin. C, strict words from M. Hamel. And D, old primer. The right answer is orders from Berlin. Question number 29. What made French and the people realize about the preciousness of their mother tongue? Option A, M. Hamel's word. Option B, school orders. Option C, sudden orders from Berlin. Option D, school principal. The right answer is sudden orders from Berlin. Option number C. Question number 30. Expression thunderclap in the lesson means A, loud but not clear. B, loud and clear. C, startling and unexpected. D, unpleasant. The right answer is startling and unexpected. Question number 31. What did Mr. Hamel bring for his class on his last day in the school? What did Mr. M. Hamel bring for the class on his last day in the school? A, new pens. B, new chocolates. C, sweets. D, storybooks. The right answer is new notebooks. Question number 32. The last lesson story was written in which year? 1869 to 1870, 1870 to 1871, 1872 to 1873, D, 1870 to 1872, and the right answer is option number B, 1870 to 1817 and 1. Question number 33. Don't go so fast. You will get to your school in plenty of time means A. Getting late. B. Very early. C. Not early. D. Early enough. Question number 33. Don't go so fast. You will get to your school in plenty of time means option A. Getting late. Option B. Very early. Option C. Not early. And option D. Early enough. And the right answer is option number D. Early enough. What was there in front of the bulletin board? A. Children. B. Police. C. Hawkers. And D. A crowd. And the right answer is D. A crowd. Question number 35. What bad news used to come from the bulletin board? A. Lost battles. B. The draft. C. Order of commanding officers. And D. All of these. And the right answer is all of these. Option number D. Question number 36. Which language would the students study from the next day? A. English. B. German. C. Dutch. And D. Spanish. And the right answer is B. German. Question number 37. What does the expression in great deal of scolding mean? Option A. To be happy about it. Option B. Very badly scared of. Question number 37. What does the expression in great dread of scolding means? Option A. To be happy about it. Option B. Very badly scared of scolding. Option C. To be indifferent. And D. None of these. The right answer is very badly scared of scolding. Question number 38. Why was Franz was shocked to see M. Hamel? A. Because of his formal dress. B. Because he gave sweets. C. Because he had a flower in his hand. And D. All of these. And the right answer is because of his formal dress. Question number 39. What attitude of M. Hamel surprised Franz? A. Soft and kind. B. Rude. C. Firm and strict. And D. None of these. And the right answer is soft and kind. Option A. Question number 40. Who was M. Hamel? Option A. A spy. Option B. A language teacher. Option C. Soldier. Option D. School principal. And the right answer is a language teacher. Option B. Thank you. Thank you very much.